Guys, can you stop talking?
No.
Alright. बहुत मज़े आए थे H&M के शूट में. पूरे दिन शूट चला था. I remember started in the morning and ended at night. We left at the time we were supposed to reach.
H&M को आई थिंक सबके आउटफिट्स ख़त्म हो गए तो मेरे को बस एक और शर्ट के ऊपर पहना दिया. आई लव यू H&M. More collaborations on the way.
Are you here to sleep?
I'm sleeping.
You can't sleep, bro.
हैदराबाद.
सनराइज और हैदराबाद.
भाई जब से डिसाइड किया कि हम हैदराबाद जा रहे हैं मतलब they've not.
I had to mess up a lot of times to master this.
क्या हो गया? उठो.
Bro, what?
ओए उठो. क्या हो गया? ब्रो उठो. अभी तो उठ क्यों गया भाई?
It was my call to dance, by the way. Nobody will accept it. Nobody actually wanted to dance. Stage देख के I was like, I think we should dance. I convinced Korean. Then I think I convinced Bhuvan. And then उसके बाद शायन. और फिर जब सब convince हो गए तो मशाल को भी dance करना ही पड़ा था. Right, that's the Bajpur guys. So basically, there was this music camp that happened in August, and like Aajkal was made there for the first time. When I heard Aajkal, जो उसका drop आता है तेरे बिना आजकल जीना मुमकिन नहीं. It felt like something, you know, like I felt like crying for the first time I heard it.
Nice job.
What you call an icon living?
I want to hear like if until the chorus it's telephonic, like the whole thing, even the vocals.
Sound निकाल.
You just both look really stupid right now.
अरे तू कुछ भी कर.
तू सेम कर क्या हो गया?
Bro, you're supposed to make the face.
कर भाई तू करेगा. करना यार.
So how do you do this, bro?
Here's Johnny.
What are we doing?
बस कर यार.
Guys, Hyderabad was so amazing. You know, honestly, I think the best performer on stage is Korean. And yeah, what can I say, man? Korean has just been the best boy band member of Outstation. And you know that. Okay, alright, yeah, I'm gonna kill him on.
अब डायलॉग बोलना है.
Look in the camera. Jump scare.
I just want to say one word.
That's so weird.
Technically मैंने सबको इधर बैठा ऐसे कर रहा है. Bro, this is
Wait, after him.
Oh shit.
On Outstation and Law, we are back with the fifth.
law and outstation, bro.
Wait, in the start, let me and Korean shit talk each other, okay? Kuch wo bolna, Mr. Shine Bottom.
As you can see, the struggle
the victim. You open the pocket.
So, since 2026.
Crazy boy. Bye.
Why are you looking at the script? Yeah, bro, even I do stuff when I was little, man, but this guy's going crazy with the designs.
Wait, that's it. चालू हो गया तुम्हें क्या हो गया
Funny guy.
चलो आ जाओ फिर से Hello guys, welcome to Outstation HQ. So today there are 4 hours there are 4 hours left for the day to end.
We're just here chilling.
Bro, I'm sick.
And Bhuvan, would you like to say something?
Get out.
Alright, so I guess that's it for today. Good night and good morning, good evening and goodbye. We can't stop now, bro. We gotta get this to our passengers.
We just had to run with a tiffin box in our hand, like, you know, those huge stainless steel tiffins.
I didn't attend first half of the shoot because I was sick. And you can see the one clip where I'm running and I lost my shoe. That day was one of the most eye-opening moments for me.
It's like the final reel is 37 seconds, but it took us 20 hours to shoot that. Like, we went to all places in Bombay just to run with a tiffin box in our hand for probably 2 to 3 seconds each shot.
For the merch because it was a really cool concept and it was really fun and but it was kind of tiring.
In the morning I was like, can I go back please? Like, I can't do that. I was super sick. But we had to do the shoot, so it was really important. But in the night I got like a bit better and I did the shoot.
Bro, we can't stop now, hey! Sorry.
It's okay. It was good energy. Sorry.
No issues.
Merch. Buy merch. Buy our merch.
I feel like personally, I've never been into dance much. Like, I was a fan of Chris Brown and Michael Jackson, but I felt like I could never dance like them. I think I like dancing now, unlike what I said in the boot camp. I genuinely have fun dancing. I low-key think Korean पहले से dance करता था, but वो दिखाता नहीं था कि वो dance करता है. So yeah, but like बाकी मेरे मशाल और भुवन हम लोग के लिए तो dance बहुत ही नया है. So yeah.
What is a sun break? You all need sun? This sun?
Because we wanted to show Bhuvan.
They just wanted to mock me.
We wanted to show Bhuvan how he goes about life.
How are we feeling?
Feeling sleepy.
So we had to wake up early in the morning for the styling.
I like my outfit, to be honest.
Oh, his outfit was nice only. He looked like some Russian mafia, like you know those.
One salesman. If bro did not get selected for the boy band.
प्रॉम के पहले इतनी फट गई थी मेरी क्योंकि 3 दिन पहले प्रॉम के I couldn't speak. My throat was paining so much and मैं इतना बीमार था.
Oh, sweet. Let's just quickly do a quick check. Talk it to Bhuvan.
That was insane.
Bro thinks he's the main character.
We want to say thank you for all the love that you have been giving us.
Prom बहुत crazy था. And मैंने बहुत सारी गलतियाँ नहीं करी शायद, but I don't know. I think I messed up a lot, but it was fun.
Thank you so much, Outstation.
Make some noise!
Make some noise.
I've been wanting y'all to do lungi dance.
Lungi dance?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was insane. I need to make my hair for that merch signing, but damn. Guys, I have a question to ask. How do you guys feel after performing with Outstation?
One of the best experiences ever. The crowd. I didn't have fun.
Okay. Nobody likes Ronak.
That is so yeah.
And these guys were signing the merch, and I was like behind like an NPC.
Chilling at the back.
I was chilling at the back. I'm the band member. Let me be on the stall. And there's this two random guys. I don't even know who they are.
The bodyguard are standing at the table, and Bo was just chilling at the back.
I don't even know who they are. They were just standing. They were not even bodyguards, bro. They were just standing. Like they were enjoying it.
Hi guys. Bhuvan is a shy kid. I'm here to take over. हम 3 महीने पहले YouTube Fan Fest के लिए उधर बैठे थे. हमने सोचा था कि यहाँ पे हम परफॉर्म करेंगे. पर मैं अबे यार शैन को बुला यार. Bro doesn't know the script. अच्छा you were not there. अच्छा he was not. He didn't come for the Fan Fest. Literally हम उधर बैठे थे. हम सोच रहे थे स्कूल स्टेज है. हम सोच रहे थे कूल स्टेज है. लाइटिंग क्रेजी है. इधर आके परफॉर्म करना है. 3 months later. Thank you अनव. तो सिक्योरिटी में रोक रही थी. बोलते आगे मत जाओ बेटा.
जब हम उधर बैठे थे ये ज़्यादा दूर लग रहा है. वही. हम इधर से बहुत नज़दीक लग रहा है.
हम पांचों यहाँ पे पहले माइक स्टैंड से खड़े हो जाएंगे बट फिर कोरस के बाद हम भुवन योर लेस इज ओपन.
Very nice.
So that was so bad. Small town mentality. Bro thinks the light is alive.
I feel like
इधर आवाज़ नहीं है.
I'll tell you after the show.
मेरे को बस जुकाम हुआ था लोग बोलते हैं, but no, it was much deeper, something that science cannot identify yet. But yeah, I still showed up because Outstation never falls.
एक कान बंद करना होगा.
एक तो नाक से गाता है क्या?
हमने एग्री किया था स्टेज के पहले कि हम वो चेस बम करेंगे, but that guy betrayed me on stage, and now I'm never talking to him again. Bro, f off.
It's 50% from you. We can put it down.
You have a kind of surreal feeling on the back of your mind that you're singing to so many people and they're here to see you. Anup Jain's show was very acoustic. We could only use one instrument, so that's where we got Ronak on stage.
3, 2, 1, go.
And Ronak is our guitarist, guys. Shout out to Ronak.
He's coming, he's gone to the
What are you feeling before
Ronak?
So, feelings can be quite nerve-wracking.
Thoughts before performance. My thoughts are. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath out. That's usually my thoughts.
Thoughts before performance.
Thoughts excited guys. 9,000 people. मजा आएगा.
कोई नर्वस होना तो मेरी तरह देख.
सब बोलेगा.
तूने क्या बोला?
After our performance, we went to Anu's vanity van to meet him, and he thanked us and all. And then we got out of the van, we were talking, and then he got out of his van to go on stage, and Korean screamed, "We love you, Anu!" It's so funny, man. Korean just randomly somehow does random funny shit, but I think only Korean can pull all that shit off. So yeah. Exactly.
Ah, bro, मेरा गला